Hello friends, it's the girl Shirley B. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we're going to take a tour of my living room for the fall season. So you want to see how everything turned out? Just keep on watching. Thank you guys for your support of all the previous videos. Over on this side, we're going to start over this side with this console table. The console table was from Ross and I had it for about 2-3 years. So I use these pair of asymmetric spiral candle holders, and then I use 2 burnt orange candles, and all of these came from Ross. In the middle, I have this sunflower bowl with some acorns and pine cones in it. And then I think the bowl was from Burlington, the acorns were from Burlington also, the pine cones, Home Good, and I use a book as a riser. On the other side, I use this burnt orange vase that I had from Burlington about 2 or 3 years. And then inside it, I put some maple leaf, gold on one side and brown on the other. And these were from Home Goods. Then I use this wall art to anchor everything. Over in this, should I say, TV stand, I use basically the same thing that I use in my pre-fall decor. I added a pumpkin and this decorative burnt orange piece, and then that little plaque of the pumpkin. Is it a plaque? I don't really know what it is. I got that from Home Good, Ross. And then right here, I put this beautiful picture frame screensaver on my TV, and then I attempted to do this pumpkin patch. I had a similar one last year, but I don't know. I don't think I achieved the look like I did last year. I think the florals in the back are a bit too bulky, so I'm gonna add some more pumpkins around the back for the home tour. Tell me what you think about it. It's lighted. Last year I had some more lights in it, but I was just trying something. I was iffing and butting about doing it, and then at the last minute I decided to do it. So that's how it turned out. But give me your input on what you think about this patch. I think it looks a bit custard. I'm not really loving it, but it has to stay for the time being because it's difficult for me having a full-time job and decorating. For those who have to work a 40-hour shift or a 48-hour shift per week and come home to do decor, yeah, it's a bit difficult. But tell me how you think it turned out. So most of the items that I use here are items that I've already had, except for those 2 pumpkins with the squirrels on top of it. I got those from Burlington recently. And so everything else were things that I've already had. So I'm mixing old with the new to complete this decor. So down the bottom here, I have this basket that I covered with a throw. And then I have these 2 throw pillows that I got from Ross some time ago. And then I use these 2 lanterns, actually they're lanterns or whatever, right there. So the same thing on one side, the same thing on the other side, almost asymmetrical, except for this shape here, that decor piece, which is a different shape on the other side, but everything else is similar. So now over here on the side table, I have this burnt orange vase that I put some gold pine cones in. I have this fox on top of a pumpkin over there, and I also have a gold vase with some burnt orange stems that I got from Home Sense. And then these picture frames were from Ross. I did show them in the haul, and the pictures came from Amazon. So this is how this corner turned out. Beautiful. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below on what you think about my decor so far. And on this side here, I put a throw blanket there, and this pillow. This pillow cover is from Timu. Not Timu, it's from Shein. I always say Timu. This pillow cover is from Shein. This one is also from Shein. The pumpkin is from Burlington. And then these are actually 2 pillows that I got from Home Goods. This one here and that one here are from Home Goods. And then on this side, the burnt orange with the embroidered pumpkins are from Ross. I had them about 2-3 years now. And those white and cream, white and gold pillows are from Shein. Same thing on the other side, same thing over here. My coffee table. I have this gold leaf that I got from Home Centric last year. And then I have this gold and white tray. And then I have these stuff that I use as coasters, 2 glass pumpkins that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then this beautiful kind of bronze vase that I got from Home Goods, not Home Goods, Burlington, and the florals are from Burlington. So this is my coffee table. Turn out simple but fall like. So this is my sofa console table. Very simple decor. I use this decorative white and gold vase, a small table lamp, and this maple leaf. The maple leaf came from Ross, I believe, from last year. This table lamp from Home Goods, the vase from Burlington, and then I have this decorative bowl that I got from Burlington, and I have some assorted pumpkins inside there. Beautiful arrangement right here, and then the same on the other side. This comes to the end of the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to allow you to get a full view of everything, how everything turned out together. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Do have yourselves a blessed day.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it play and chase it, puts a smile upon my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. When the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile upon my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Dancing through the last days of September.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was